Things you should keep in your school bag for girls. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive in. Notebook and pens. Always have a notebook and a couple of pens. You never know when you'll need to jot down important notes or reminders. Planner or agenda. A planner helps you stay on top of your schedule and assignments, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. Keep a reusable water bottle to quench your thirst throughout the day. Snacks. Healthy snacks like nuts or granola bars are perfect for a quick energy boost between classes. Personal hygiene items. Carry essentials like tissues, hand sanitizer, and a small pack of wet wipes to stay fresh and clean. Mini first aid kit. Include band-aids, pain relievers, and any necessary personal medications. Lip balm and lotion. Keep your lips and skin moisturized with a good lip balm and hand lotion. Hairbrush and hair ties. A compact hairbrush and a few extra hair ties can save you on a bad hair day. Compact mirror. A small mirror is handy for quick touch-ups during the day. Sanitary products. Always have a couple of pads or tampons in case of emergencies. Spare face mask. With health in mind, having an extra face mask is always a good idea. Earphones or earbuds. Perfect for listening to music or watching videos during your free time. Charger or power bank. Ensure your phone or devices are always charged by carrying a portable charger. Mint or gum. Keep your breath fresh with some mint or gum. Small wallet or purse. For your student ID, some cash, and important cards. Sunscreen. Protect your skin by carrying a small tube of sunscreen, especially for outdoor activities. Sticky notes. Great for quick reminders or marking important pages in textbooks. Deodorant. Stay fresh all day with a small deodorant stick or spray. Face wipes. Face wipes are perfect for quick cleanups and keeping your skin feeling fresh. Emergency contact info. Keep a card with important phone numbers in case you need to reach someone quickly. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time. Today,